Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To remove a password that is required to open a Word document, first open the Password Protected document. Then click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Info command at the left side of the Backstage view. Then click the Protect Document drop-down button in the Info section to the right. Then choose the Encrypt with Password command from the drop-down menu that appears to open the Encrypt Document dialog box. Then delete the password in the password field and click the OK button. Then save the change to the document by clicking the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar or Backstage view. Word then removes the password from the document. It then opens normally, no longer requiring users to enter a password.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.